Now we have a simple arm combination. The feet are going to do walk right, walk left, walk right and pause. As we do that, the arm, the right arm, first of all, as we move the right leg, we'll do what we call bird up. Make nice finger shape and make up like a bird flying. That's as we walk with the right. Start in a good position and walk, looking up to that hand. Now, as you walk to the left, you're going to do palm down. Do you see how this part of your hand is going to come down first with the fingers up? So left foot, palm down. Now, as you step with the right, we're going to present with the right arm. Present. And then we're going to keep that hand there and do a little shimmy back. This repeats on the same foot if you want to repeat it, but you can do it a different direction, such as then going up to the back. Walk bird, walk palm down, walk presenting, and a little shimmy back to the corner. So try that. Let's do it with the left this time. So we're going to walk on the left, use the left arm. Bird up, right foot forward as you palm down, left foot forward as you present, and a little shake of the shoulders back. And then you've got your left foot again. You can either go the same direction or walk in a different direction. So try that one and see how you get on with that.